Did you know that Nigeria is home to over 250 ethnic groups? That's right. Nigeria is one of the most culturally diverse countries in the world. From the bustling streets of Lagos to the remote villages in the north, Nigeria's ethnic diversity is truly mind-blowing. Think about it. You've got the Yoruba, the Igbo, the Hausa, the Fulani, and so many more, each with its own distinct language, traditions, and history. This diversity is not just about the people. It is also reflected in Nigeria's art, music, food, and even festivals. For example, Yoruba festivals like Olojo and Igbo celebrations like New Yam Festival are full of vibrant colors and cultural significance that highlight the beauty of the country's traditions. And it's not just a modern thing, Nigeria's diverse groups have been interacting and coexisting for centuries. From ancient kingdoms like Ife and Benin to the empires of Kanambonu and Sokoto, the rich tapestry of Nigeria's cultural heritage is woven from centuries of history. What is even more fascinating is how Nigeria manages to keep all these cultures alive, side by side. So, here's a question for you. Which Nigerian ethnic group are you most curious to learn more about? Drop it in the comments, and let's start a conversation about the amazing diversity in our own backyard. So, next time you think of Nigeria, remember it's not just a country. It is a mini-continent, where different cultures, languages, and traditions come together to create something truly unique and beautiful. Nigeria's diversity is her strength, and that's something we should all celebrate.